Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to mobile hotspot not working in Windows 10 or 11 fix. So guys, it is very easy and simple method. First you need to type here to search. Now type settings. Now open setting. Now click on update and security. Now you will see this troubleshooter. Click on it. Now click on additional troubleshooter. Now click on internet connection. Run the troubleshooter. Click on it. Till this process will be completed. Now click on troubleshooter, my connection to the internet. Now click on it. Wait till this process will be completed. Now you need to click on close the troubleshooter. Now close it. Now again go settings, open settings. Now open it. Now click on network and internet. Now scroll down and you see network reset. Now click on reset. If you go get permission, click on yes. Now shut down your computer or PC. So hopefully guys you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not. Thanks for watching.